Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's travel. And the important points of this lesson are land transport, water transport, air transport, fuel, and animals used as means of transport. Now before we get into the lesson, here is a question to boost up your knowledge. Which invention of the early man proved beneficial for future generations? Discuss in your class. We go from one place to another for various purposes. Now, to move from one place to another, we need a vehicle like a bicycle or a bus. These vehicles are called modes of transport. Long ago, humans or animals used to pull carts to carry goods or to travel. Now we have faster means of transport. There are three types of transports: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport. On land, we use bicycles, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, and auto rickshaws. Some are slow while some are fast. Some have 2 wheels, 4 wheels, or even more than 4 wheels. Trains are the fastest means of land transport. They carry thousands of people from one place to another. In India, the metro rail is the latest mode of transport. It is used to travel from one place to another within the city. We have the metro rail for local travel in Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. Water transport. Ships, steamers, and boats are used as a means of water transport. Ships are used to travel long distances on seas and oceans. Steamers and boats are used to carry people and goods along the river. Now a ship needs a good port for loading and unloading goods. Air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport, but they are very expensive. Helicopters are not that popular because they cannot carry a lot of people at once. Now, people that want to go to a very far place like the moon will have to use a rocket. Now, did you know aeroplanes are the fastest but the costliest means of transport? Fuel. Cars, scooters, buses, aeroplanes, all of them use some kind of fuel like petrol, diesel, or compressed natural gas, CNG. Like we get energy from the food we eat for work and play, vehicles use this fuel as energy. But this fuel comes from the earth, and earth has limited fuel. So we must save fuel. Now, did you know buses in Delhi run on CNG because it does not pollute the air?
Electric vehicle versus fuel vehicle. Technology has its own way of emergence, and it works hand in hand in the automobile industry. Every day, there is new technology and innovation comes as a result. Today, automobile inventors are more likely to produce environment-friendly vehicles, keeping in mind the reduction of fossil fuels. Probably, they are looking for a renewable source of power for the vehicles. For this, electric vehicles are a more suitable option as they are non-polluting and reliable in terms of linear performance. The basic difference between electric vehicles that are also called EV and fuel, which is categorized as Standard International Combustion Engine Models or ICE, is that gasoline is used by fuel vehicles and electricity is required for electric vehicles. However, the price of gas or fuel varies from time to time. And fuel vehicles need to be filled up about every 250 to 300 kilometers of the journey. There are a variety of sources available for electric vehicles to be powered by electricity. The electricity produced by the burning of gas or coal or from renewable sources such as hydropower, wind, and solar. As electric vehicles are gaining popularity, You can find sufficient charging stations in public places, especially in urban areas or at highway stops. According to the guidelines of the Ministry of Power, allowing various charger types to be developed at public charging stations settled the issue of charging standards.
Animals as a means of transport. Many animals help us carry goods and people from one place to another. For example, the camel is used as a means of transport in the desert. The camel is called as a ship of the desert. Elephants carry heavy logs in the forest. Mules and ponies help us travel in hilly areas. So here is a quick sum up of today's lesson. There are three types of transports: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Trains are the fastest means of land transport. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. So here is a glossary of today's lesson. Purpose means motive. Cart, a vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels. A steamer is a ship or a big boat. So here is a mind map of today's lesson. There are 3 means of transports: land transport, water transport, and air transport. Land transport includes vehicles like car, bicycles, trains, buses, auto rickshaws, scooters, and tongas. Water transport has vehicles like ships, boats, and steamers. Air transport has vehicles like aeroplanes, helicopters, and rockets.